Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 5 best portable electric pressure washer. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Westinghouse WPX3000E Electric Pressure Washer. 3000 max PSI and 1.76 max GPM, induction motor, onboard soap tank, spray gun and wand, 5 nozzle set, for cars/fences/driveways/homes/patios/furniture. Brand, Westinghouse. Power source, AC. Color, blue. Maximum pressure, 3,000 pound per square inch. Item weight, 36.8 pounds. Hose length, 25 feet. Max 3000 psi and max 1.76 GPM of powerful, deep cleaning water pressure, perfect for decks, sidewalks, siding, fences, railings, garage floors, exterior walls, cars and patio furniture. Comes with a half-gallon onboard soap tank. 25-foot abrasion-resistant Superflex hose with lightweight high-pressure metal spray gun and wand with 5 quick connect nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, soap and turbo, compatible with pressure washer accessories such as surface cleaners, undercarriage cleaners, and foam cannons with M22 fittings. Heavy-duty AC 120V electric engine, long-lasting, maintenance-free axial 3-piston autostop pump provides 76 gallons of water and soap a minute. Tough steel frame construction with 12 high-profile, 10-inch never-flat wheels and 35-foot GFCI cord provide easy transportation and maneuverability, includes tools and quick start guide to get cleaning in minutes. All Westinghouse pressure washers are functionally tested in the factory and are backed by 3-year limited manufacturer service, labor, and parts coverage. Number 2. Electric high-pressure washer 8850 pump. Power washer 3000 psi max included foam cannon, for different pressure tips, 1/4 quick connect to most attachments and accessories. Brand, Daymote. Power source, electric. Color, red-black. Maximum pressure, 3,000 pound per square inch. Item weight, 20 pounds. Hose length, 240 inches. Specification met, EPA. High pressure performance, our electric power washer 3000 psi delivers powerful cleaning, effectively removing dirt from cars, siding, driveways, and fencing. This pressure washer ensures optimal results with every use, making it indispensable for homeowners. Versatile foam cannon, featuring a built-in foam cannon, this car pressure washer enhances cleaning efficiency. Ideal for thorough car washes and deep cleaning of surfaces, the pressure washer electric model is perfect for various outdoor cleaning tasks. Quick connect nozzles, equipped with 4 different spray nozzles, this power washer offers customizable water pressure. Suitable for different cleaning needs, it serves as a reliable power washer electric for cars, driveways, and fences. Extended reach, the 20-foot pressure hose and 35-foot power cord of this electric power washers ensures extended reach, allowing you to clean large areas without frequent repositioning. This feature makes it a practical power washer for cars and extensive home cleaning projects. Durability and convenience, designed for durability, our water pressure washer is built to last. The car wash pressure washer is easy to use, offering hassle-free operation for homeowners seeking efficient pressure washer for car solutions. Number 3. Westinghouse EPX3100V Electric Pressure Washer. 2100 max PSI 1.76 max GPM, built-in carry handle, detachable foam cannon, pro-style steel wand, 3 nozzle set, for cars/fences/driveways/homes/patios. Brand, Westinghouse. Power source, AC. Color, black. Maximum pressure, 2,100 pound per square inch. Hose length, 25 feet. Specification met, CSA, OPI, EPA. 2100 max PSI at initial discharge of deep cleaning water pressure and up to 1.76 GPM without nozzle at minimum pressure, water flow, pro-style steel extendable 17.5-inch wand with 3 quick connect nozzles. Super compact and lightweight at 18 pounds for convenient storage and portability, a built-in handle for easy transportation to wherever your cleaning tasks are. Easy coil nylon braided 20 feet hose, detachable foam cannon to add detergents/chemicals for heavy-duty cleaning power on decks, driveways, garage floors, stairs, fencing, patio furniture, and vehicles. Pump automatically stops when trigger is not engaged to conserve energy and promote pump and motor life. Backed by 3-year limited service, labor, and parts coverage with nationwide customer service and support network. Number 4. Electric Pressure Washer 5000 PSI Max 3.2 GPM. Joline Power Washer for cars washing with 25-foot pressure hose. Brand, Joline. Power source, corded electric. Maximum pressure, 5,000 pound per square inch. Hose length, 25 feet. High pressure cleaner, powerful motor upgrade 1800 watt motor generates 5000 psi max 3.2 GPM water flow and has excellent cleaning ability with more consistent, efficient cleaning, less noise and a long life. Our electric pressure washers are ideal for quickly and easily removing dirt and dirt. Total Stop STEM, TTSR electric power washer features Safety Automatic Total Stop System, TSS, which automatically shuts off the pump when trigger is not engaged to save energy and prolong pump life. Hose reel, 25 feet high pressure hose is long enough for the projects you need it for. The built-in onboard hose reel to conveniently protect and helps prevent kinks in the high pressure hose and makes winding or unwinding a simple task. Universal tips. The 0 degrees tip delivers super high pressure for dissolving stubborn substances on hard surface. The 15 degrees tip delivers high pressure for concrete and brick with hard surface. The 25 degrees tip delivers medium pressure for wood decks, vinyl sidings with soft surface. The 40 degrees tip provides low pressure for windows and screens with fragile surfaces. Easy to move and store, our power washer is designed with a wheeled upright trolley, making it easy and safe to move around. The mesh stock on both sides can hold the spray gun, providing convenient storage. Additionally, the cable hook keeps the electric cable tidy, ensuring a neat and organized. Number 5. Electric Pressure Washer 5000 PSI Max 3.6 GPM. Power Washer Touchscreen Adjustable Pressure, 4 nozzles, and 500 milliliters foam cannon power washer cleaning for patio. Brand, Lahau Tool. Power source, corded electric. Color, yellow. Maximum pressure, 5,000 pound per square inch. Item weight, 24 pounds. Hose length, 20 feet. Powerful 5000 psi max pressure washer. Compared with others, the maximum pressure of our smart washing machine can reach 5000 psi. Powerful 1800 watt universal motor generates max 5000 psi water pressure at 3.6 GPM water flow for max cleaning power. Our electric pressure washers are ideal for quickly and easily removing dirt and dirt, such as cleaning decks, terraces, driveways, siding, sheds, cars, outdoor power equipment, and so on. TOUCHSCREN Pressure Cleaner. Considering into more intelligence, our R&D team has upgraded the washing machine uses a touchscreen. It provides 3 gears, soft, medium, and strong. Easily uses plus or minus buttons to control different levels of pressure. We also provide a soap bottle and 4 different nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and 40 degrees. You can adjust to the pressure you want according to your needs to complete any cleaning work. Telescopic aluminum handle. We have also upgraded the handle to make it be more humane. The new handle adopts a retractable aluminum handle, which can be adjusted according to the height of the user and is suitable for all kinds of people. In addition, 2 large wheels will also help you carry and transport easily. The 16.3-foot long cable and 20-foot long hose can reach anywhere, such as courtyards, streets, balconies, garages, etc. TSS, Total Stop System, automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged to save energy and prolong pump life. High-pressure hose with the explosion-proof inner layer. 16.3-foot power cord with inline GFCI for safety use on all exterior outlets. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.